heart of the jungle buying a drone, and what I got today is the Bugs 4W, and it's a pretty nice drone, as you can see from the pictures here. It's got a nice controller. It's got a little LED thing that gives you all your telemetry information, and of course your phone goes on there. It's a 5G setup, so your phone needs to be a 5G. This is the Bugs 4W. I got 100 units. My wife's gonna unbox this or slide the box out. Nice packaging. I bought this from a gentleman here. His name is Patrick. He's actually from the US, but he lives here, and his specialty is reselling drones. I'll give you all of his information. I definitely recommend buying from him. I got an extra. Normally you get one extra set of propellers, but I got a second extra set, so I actually have three. These two, plus the one that comes on the drone, mounted on the drone. Of course, they come with a little screwdriver. Right there, you can see the screwdriver. They have instructions. Supposedly somebody from the US or whatever is there in China to actually translate instructions so that it's not broken English instructions. And Bugs apparently is a pretty good outfit for drones from all the other reviews that I've seen so far on YouTube. We'll be actually flying this later on, but right now I'm just doing like a promo video for Patrick, and we'll get you all of his contact information. Right now he's just when you order it, you can get him on Messenger, on Facebook. Patrick, what is your thing on Facebook?
Just look for Black Cat's Drones on Google or Facebook.
Okay, yeah, Black Cat Drones on Google or Facebook, and you'll wind up getting Patrick. He's a real good guy. So again, you get a little USB charger. Here's your controller right there. I'm not going to really pull this out and do anything with it. Like I said, this is more of a video to show you basically what I got, and you can get these too. The other models you sell, Patrick, are what?
Well, we sell DJI drones, we sell SJRC, and many other brands.
Pretty much whatever you want, just contact him, tell him what the model is that you are interested in, or models if it's more than one, and he can get you prices and tell you how long it takes to get them, and that he's really good about keeping the communications going. And you can ship this stuff too to people?
We ship nationwide.
You ship COD type?
We're going to be starting COD next year.
Okay, it's going to start COD next year, but right now you send it through
pre-order. You can send payments through Lilier, Palawan Express.
Lilier, Palawan Express. Who's the third one?
Western Union.
Western Union. Okay, so yeah, you can send payments there. This is a guy that you can trust too, so don't worry about doing business with him. If you pay him, he'll get you the product. And also, this Bugs comes with, 3 batteries is what I got. So this is the battery charger here, and the battery charger can charge 2 batteries at one time, and it's got 2 USB ports on the side here. You can see them right there. If you plug in one cord, it'll charge one battery until it's full, and then it'll charge the second one. But if you want to charge both batteries simultaneously, you have to plug in 2 USB chargers, one into each port here, and that'll charge it. And this guy will take SD memory card, maybe up to 128K. Don't hold me to that. At least 32 a gig, not K. Sorry, I'm from the old days. But anyway, just want to show you guys what you can get here in the Philippines. You can get pretty nice stuff at a pretty reasonable price. I got this one for, you want me to quote the price? Yeah. Okay, $11,995, which is pretty much what the going rate is. I didn't get any discounts, even though Patrick will probably slip me another $3,000 after I do this video for him. I'm just joking. But he has to cover costs. He has to live off of this, so you can, Anyway, yeah. So here's the deal. We got GPS and map. We got 4K
And 5G.
and
Wi-Fi.
5G Wi-Fi. So you got pretty good distance on everything on your FPV. You got pretty good distance range on your drone control, and so we are going to pay Patrick now, and we're going to be off, and we'll be back. Patrick, do you want to show him your face?
No.
You want the Patrick's hungover, I think, and he's had a pretty rough night. I don't know how late or early he got up this morning, but believe me, he's had better days. But just joking. He's really not. He's a good guy. So anyway, like I said, we're in the jungle. This is actually, he actually brings it to his friend's house, has them delivered here because there's an address. In the Philippines, everybody doesn't have an address. So they've got a real address with a real street. So when they ship them, from the supplier, they come here, and he doesn't have to worry about them getting here, gate guards and all that. So it's a real secure place, and the people are home, all the time. It's a good friend of his here too. So we will be back with more from my paradise on Bantayan Island. Call Patrick. Get your drones today. Bye for now.
Thanks, man. Two extra one
Props?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you got 2 sets here.
Yeah.
And here's your aircraft in white, which we
cool.
had to wait an extra 4 days for the manufacturer
Yeah.
to clear it.
Yeah, that's okay. So anyway, we're here picking up the most recent drone I ordered, an JJRC X12, and at Black Cat Drone, and
There she is.
wow, it's light and
Oh, it's light. It doesn't have the
seems very
battery
small.
on it.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
that makes sense then. Yeah, it's got a gimbal,
Yeah.
as you can. I don't know if I'm getting it right here, but it's got a 3-axis gimbal here, so no shaky videos, and nice carrying case.
Really nice case.
Yeah, I bought a small backpack for my other drone. Here's the remote. There's some light. There we go. And we got little handles that flop out, or no handles.
I don't think there's no. I think it
No,
just goes
there's
like
no handed,
this.
just like that. Yeah. Okay.
And then there's a clip that goes on for the phone that's
Yeah,
here.
it's in there somewhere.
Yeah.
Right, where is the clip? Right. No, that's the propeller.
No,
Is there another layer?
maybe.
Mm.
You're gonna chop all this up? I got stuff down there.
This
There you
is
go.
The clip, and what's that?
It's your charger.
Oh, charger. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Yeah.
It's a nice little package they got here.
Yeah, it really is packaged well.
Yeah, yeah,
No, only like it was, when I was saying, I bought a backpack for my other one. I bought like a strap bag, but when you put everything in, it's really, you barely can close the zippers and stuff.
So Philippines is a supported area for your 5G, so that's not a problem.
Yeah, cool.
And the cables.
Yeah, what kind of, is this the same plug as on the other one?
On your Android, I believe it is. Yeah, it's micro USB.
This is micro. Well, on the other drone, it's not a micro.
Oh, it's got its own unique thing.
Well, I don't know if it's unique. It's just, because they change these things at whenever they want to change
Yeah,
them.
they do.
Yeah, no,
They're gonna
but-
proprietary ship and all that
But yeah,
stuff.
it's not. It doesn't work with my
With your
phone micro
yeah?
USB. Yeah, yeah. It's got a little bag on the side.
You got this your
Oh,
strap.
oh, cool. Shoulder strap.
Yep.
And this is. Oh, that's just.
That's
the barcode.
just to let you know
That's
that you
just the
have a
barcode.
X12 4K drone in white,
Yeehaw.
which you specifically ordered.
Yeah. Yeehaw. So these are it's the handy dandy case.
Yep.
And again, Black Cat
Black Cat Drones can get you pretty much any drone you need. You know, just let him know, and he'll check with his supplier, order it directly from China. Is that where you get them?
But actually, we're expanding. We're going to be starting to, pretty soon, we're going to be making drones from the United States available also in the Philippines.
Which drones are those?
We're hopefully going to be launching the Skydio 2.
Oh, cool.
But we can't
That's
say
sweet.
when, but
Yeah.
we do want to get the Skydio 2 because
Yeah.
it's an amazing drone. You can't crash it even if you wanted to.
I've been watching the videos on that. It's phenomenal. I mean, it's these little twigs,
Well,
and
got
figures
the 6
things out.
cameras
Yeah.
around.
Yeah.
It's got 45 megapixels looking all around. The drone
Yeah.
is designed to literally not crash. And
Yeah.
you know, we're looking at, we love the DJI drones as well,
Yeah.
but like we got a lot of guys who they just want to fly, they just want to have fun.
Yeah.
And that's what the Skydio does. And when
Yeah.
we have information, we'll let you all know when
Yeah.
it comes out.
Yeah. Well, I've crashed my other drone twice now.
Oh, no.
Well, just hitting trees and stuff. I was going kind of far out, and there was a tree, but this is before I did my gyro calibration, which the instructions said you did not need to do.
Yeah.
But when I would rotate it, you know, with yaw, it would start drifting. And so I rotated it to turn around and come back to me, and when I looked down at the camera to just kind of see where it was, it drifted into a tree, hit the tree, flew up in the tree, made all kinds of noise, and I was panicking. And of course, you always do the first or second time.
Yeah.
And then I hit the kill button.
Yeah.
And by then, I didn't really see where the drone went, so I couldn't find it. I thought it was in the tree it hit.
Yeah.
But kind of find out it was in the coconut tree
Down the way.
because it had recovered somehow and decided to fly some more and hit the coconut tree and wound up stuck in there.
Well, you calibrate it, and here's a pro tip. I have drones. I fly DJI drones.
Yeah.
And I still calibrate them pretty much before I fly. I don't care what the manufacturer says. Yeah, you don't have to, but if you can, you should.
Well, I found out that if you do, you're better shape because it stops. In that case, you know, with the F11. No, what have I got?
No, you got the Bugs 4W.
Bugs 4W.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one.
But this is like a much better shooter platform compared to the 4W because you got the axis.
Got the
controls.
gimbal. Yeah.
And the camera is a little bit better.
That's great.
But a lot of people though love the Bugs 4W for industrial missions. I mean, like a lot of them use them for like site inspections and all that stuff. This one though is like you can shoot some pretty good video with this, which he's gonna be showing soon on his channel. I'm assuming.
Yes, I will.
Yeah.
So anyway,
thanks for dropping by, man.
Be back with more from my paradise on Bantayan Island. Bye for now.
Take it easy, man.
Black Cat Drones, the best in town.
Thank you.
The best on the island. The best in the Philippines.
Pretty
the best
soon,
in the
pretty
world.
soon. Oh, okay, no, I couldn't do that.
Yeah. All right. Well, I got to catch my taxi.
I love how this review became a vlog. We should do this more often.
Oh, absolutely.
Take it easy, man.
All righty. You have a good one, and Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, man. Regards to your
Okay. And we'll stay in touch, guy.
Yes, sir.
All righty. Bye for now. Here's my taxi. I got to catch it because we got to go somewhere else. But cool that we got this picked up.